Alrighty, there's not much features with this thing, but we'll show some. First, as you can see, there's a little red diamond right here. Anyways, there's Rock Monster with a crystal. He's gonna roll him over. That's one of the features. And of course, as you already know, the rock monsters can eat the crystals. And then he's gonna run him over, and it works. As you can see, this will work. There, that's how it works. Anyways, the only other feature is that you can go like this. Like this. Now time for a little video. Woo! Anyways, there's also an ejection feature. Well, you can put them like that, and then you can go flip, and then land over there, and boom, and jump, and then land. Anyways, that's all. Comes with this guy. Alright? And it comes with my trucks, okay? So, that's basically the review for that one. Bye.